Welcome. If you've ever felt overwhelmed by the flood of notifications on Instagram, you're not alone. Sometimes it's just too much, especially when you only care about the people you actually follow. Today, I'll show you exactly how to set up your Instagram so you only get notifications from people you follow. This is the most up-to-date method, and it takes just a minute. Let's dive in. First, open the Instagram app on your device. Once you're in, head straight to your profile. You can do this by tapping your profile picture in the bottom right corner of the screen. Now that you're on your profile page, look for the 3 horizontal lines in the top right corner. Tap on those to open up the menu. From here, find and tap on the Settings icon. This is where you can customize all your Instagram preferences. In the Settings menu, scroll down until you see the option labeled Notifications. Go ahead and tap on that. Now you'll see a list of different notification categories. What you want is posts, stories, and comments. Tap on it, and you'll be taken to a new screen with more options. Under the section called Likes, you'll notice a few different choices. By default, Instagram usually sends you notifications for likes from everyone, but you can change that. Here's the key step. Under Likes, select From People I Follow. This means you'll only get notified when someone you actually follow likes your posts. No more random notifications from strangers or accounts you don't care about, just the people who matter to you. Once you've made this change, you're all set. You can exit the settings and get back to scrolling, posting, or whatever you love doing on Instagram. From now on, your like notifications will be a lot more relevant and a lot less overwhelming. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to share it with your friends who might need a little Instagram peace and quiet. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your more focused Instagram experience.